Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Bear Ultrawarmth 5mm gloves. So these look very much like a humble pair of 5mm gloves, but actually there's some very clever technology inside. So if you're in the market for a new pair of 5mm gloves, the good sort of all-rounder, something that you still have dexterity, but it still keeps your hands nice and warm, then it's definitely worth checking out the Ultrawarm gloves from Bear. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how they're gonna arrive. This is the packaging that they come in. So at the top, we've got a little bit of cardboard card with just some information about the gloves. Elastic, full stretch outer fabric. 4-panel design improves overall stretch and by reducing the number of seams. Anatomically correct pre-curved fingers, reduce hand fatigue. Glide skin in wrist seals as a first line of defense of water entry. Below that we have a sort of semi-mesh bag just to keep your gloves in, and then a fabric section and a drawstring bottom, so you can use this to keep your gloves together and contained, or you can reuse this for whatever you really want, really. And then inside you have a pair of gloves. So all in all, very sort of subtle design to them. Yeah, let's take a closer look at the gloves themselves. Okay, so taking a closer look at the gloves, I've turned one of them inside out just so you can see the internal lining, which is quite striking, as you can see, but that's quite clever, so I'm going to spend some time on that, which is why I've turned this one inside out. But taking a look at the outside, so starting at the bottom at the cuff, so it's just a raw cut neoprene, nothing too fancy here. And then it leads up to a kind of a bottleneck section. Again, I'll show you on the inside, but on the inside this has glide skin material, and because it gets a little bit thinner just here, it acts as a seal to sort of slow water from just getting up to your hands. So for quite a long time under the water, your hands are going to stay dry, which keeps them nice and warm. But then when the water gets in, then the 5mm neoprene does its job and keeps you nice and warm. So yeah, 5mm of neoprene, that's the good sort of Goldilocks, because it's thick enough to keep your hands warm, but it's thin enough that you still have dexterity. Not the best, but you still have some, and it's better than cold, numb fingers. So 5mm is where most people end up sort of investing in gloves. Now, big panels just allows for a bit of flexibility. This neoprene itself does have a decent amount of stretch in it, so it's not going to feel too sort of cumbersome, or you're going to get like sort of strain in your hands after a while whilst wearing them. Turning the gloves over, you can see the palm and the fingers has this detailing on it, and this, when this gets wet, it actually gets a little bit tacky, so it gives you some traction, some kind of grip on your torch or whatever tool that you're trying to use. And what it actually does is it continues over your fingertip in what I call a fingernail tip glove, in that instead of just having the stitching run straight across, which you can often feel right on the tip of your finger, this one, it goes up over kind of your fingernail, so it doesn't actually sort of rub and you can't feel it, which I quite like, and it gives you a bit of extra traction over your fingertip as well. Now, if I look on the inside of the gloves, you can see they're bright orange and yellow. This is the OMNIRED material lining. So this lining is actively reflecting heat back into your hands, basically. So as the heat radiates out through your hands, it kind of gets stored up in this OMNIRED fiber, and then it gets redirected back towards you. So very, very clever, and it's got kind of a micro plush lining to it as well, so that's slowing water from traveling around. It kind of sticks it in its place and holds it there so your hands can warm it up. Now, this is that glide skin seal that I was talking about. This seals against your skin, and when it gets wet, it creates quite an effective seal, a bit like an O-ring, all the way around your hand, just trapping the water and stopping it from getting past it. It will eventually work its way past, but it just slows it down. And then on the inside, you can see it does have this stitching that continues, and again, it goes over the top of the fingernails, so you don't really feel it right on the fingertips. So all in all, a very well constructed glove. Okay, so that's the Bear Ultrawarmth 5mm gloves. A good sort of all-rounder. I think every diver who's diving in colder waters, they really need to invest in a good pair of 5mm gloves because you will be using them the most. 3mm gloves are often a little bit too thin, especially for colder waters or longer dives. But 5mm is that good sort of Goldilocks all-rounder that you can wear in quite a lot of sensible water temperatures. You still have dexterity, but they're not so thick like 7mm gloves where you're really losing all your dexterity, so the fine fiddly tasks are quite tricky. But with 5mm gloves you can still adjust your mask, you can still do stuff with your BCD, but your hands are still warm so they're not going numb. As far as these in the range of other 5mm gloves, they do have a lot of upgrades over quite a lot of them. The first one is that sort of Canadian internal seal with that glide skin, but the biggest one is going to be in that OMNIRED internal lining that's almost actively keeping your hands warm. So yeah, definitely worth that investment. Check them out. There's more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, there'll be a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.